Hey everyone, welcome back again. So this time we are going to, oops, the mic is moving a bit. Yeah. So this time we are going to focus on something called Runway ML. So folks, Runway ML is this new app. It's this new website that I went through a few weeks ago. This is pretty fine. It's not that sharp as maybe you've used with me, the DID thing and all of that, but it's pretty good. And like you can create really good stuffs with it even with the free version. Yes, they have some credit limits and all of that, but that shouldn't be an issue. So folks, our first and our most important priority here is simple. It is creating videos from images, just like we did with DID Studios and other apps as well. Okay, so it would be text or image to videos, right? So this is how the interface looks like. You need to folks sign up, because without signing up you will not be allowed. As you can see, I've signed up, and you can sign up just with an email or something and you'll get free. No cards and credit cards and all that needed. You will be allowed to open it. And you have text to image video, which we are going to focus on later, which is video to video. Like you put one video and you create alterations of it. You have generative AI audio, which is creating audio voices AI, as I've already showed you in the previous lectures. We have lip sync videos. This is something which is I would say it's a bit different. Yeah, and I've showed you in DID. Remove background, which is fine. Text to image, which is cool. Image to image, infinite image. And what do we have then? Expand image, erase and replace, which is also really simple now due to AI. Frame interpolation, image, 3D capture. 3D capture is something cool, because folks, that's easy. 3D textures, super slow motion, color grade, imprinting, remove silences, subtitles. No, subtitles, we have something. I've shown you VDIO, which is called subtitles. Transcript, upscale images. This is really cool, yeah? A cat is everywhere. Like, yeah, folks, so you can actually see the tutorials and it would help, okay? Getting started with Gen 3 Alpha, image to video and all of that. We don't need tutorials. We are going to jump straight to creating videos from images in the next lecture, folks. And okay, before we move out, just give me like 20 seconds. Before we move out, there is something called on the left side of this thing, which is its dashboard. Okay, so whatever you create, whatever you have created, or whatever you will be creating after this lecture with me, will all be a part of here. It will come here within your projects part. And what else do we have? Runway Watch. Yeah, so Runway Watch is basically, because you have a free account as well, so it's like all the videos that has been created by other people and as well. So that was it, folks, from this lecture. I'll see you in the next one, so get ready.